just received these GCOVELIS nail polishes. So we're going to go ahead and open them up and I'll show you exactly what to expect when you receive your nail polish set. So as you can see, they do come in a nice little box like this, very nice color. I'm going to go ahead and take them out one by one. So as you can see, you have all 6 nail polishes in there. I did like that they are bigger than your typical nail polishes. Very, very nice look and feel to them. Take a look. So nice. It has the branding up here, gel polish, and then the silver on the side. So very, very nice to have in your collection. They do have the color up top. So I do like that because a lot of the times it's very hard to tell what color your nail polishes are. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out just to kind of show you what that looks like. Very vibrant colors. This is the color green, and they are numbered also. That's number 1. This is number 2. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up just to show you what these colors look like individually. So there's number 2. I'm going to show you number 3. Ooh, nice gold glittery color. Number 4. Nice red color right there. Number 5. Oh, this is like a nice darker deep red. And then last but not least, we have number 6. Nice grayish color. So overall, very nice. Again, I do love the size of these and I love the material, the look and feel of these. Very nice in your makeup room or in your nail room. So definitely would recommend a total of 6 nail polish. So if you're looking for some nice nail polishes, definitely recommend 10 out of 10.